Hello everyone and welcome to Usitility. Today we are going to see how to play West game on PC using the brand new BlueStacks 5, that is designed for blazing fast speed and high-octane action. We will be able to easily download and install West game and enjoy the game on our Windows PC with keyboard, mouse and big screen thanks to BlueStacks 5, which is the Android emulator that we recommend to play West game. So without further ado, let's get to it. Before anything else mates, to start we have to open our favorite web browser. We have here the one we use by default. Let's continue, going to the next URL I'm highlighting in green. There you are seeing it on the screen. There is no need to type it, because there's a clickable link in the description of this video and as well in the first main comment. We arrived right here on our own site of Usitility, where we have an in-depth demonstration on how you can download West game on personal computer. We browse down a tad and mouse click on the Download Game on PC button. After clicking on the link, we get to the website of BlueStacks, which the Android emulator that we are going to use to play West game on our PC. As you can discover here we get a number of pros of preferring this emulator. Then, we will start downloading the West game by clicking on the button Play on BlueStacks that you can see here in green. We then click on that button. Of course, the download takes no time at all. Here it is, this is the download. It is a file to execute. What we have to do is to run the installer, okay, so we have to click on the file. Windows 10 users will be asked for permission to make modifications to the device. We have said yes. I reduced the browser to start to see the installer much better. The installation software is uncomplicated. It is made up of two options, install and setup path. I will make it clear what setup path really does. We basically click it, and now we observe that we display here the path where the emulator will be installed. If we prefer to modify this directory we have to click on this browse button, so we opt for another directory and set up the emulator wherever we wish. I prefer to set it by default. I simply click back, and therefore I simply click on install. Great. The installation commences and it is going to progress in the download of these megabytes which are presented on that computer screen. The time you save it on your computer, it could be slightly more or less megabytes. The data transfer rate could go at a higher speed or slower, subject to your web access and depending on the speed capacity of the emulator servers. Right away they're going super fast. The download is finished, and now it proceeds with the installation phase. With BlueStacks 5 you can even reduce RAM usage with a single click. Especially useful if you ever face performance-related problems. In addition, you can activate Eco Mode to enjoy 87% reduced CPU usage, 97% reduced GPU usage and easier multitasking. As you can see, BlueStacks 5 is built to provide stability and performance during long gaming sessions. The installation has already finished for me. At this point, the emulator has been started automatically. As you will notice, down here, we have a progress bar which will advance to the right, and when it attains the ending, the emulator is going to be launched for the very first time. The reality is the emulator was already started, here it is for the first time. Before we continue on, as you can observe, it created two icons right here on the PC desktop. The BlueStacks and BlueStacks multi-instance. Note that the BlueStacks icon is definitely the one we are concerned with. Whenever we desire to launch West game on the laptop or computer, we double mouse click on this specific icon and as a result run the emulator. The BlueStacks multi-instance icon allows you to launch multiple emulator instances. And with BlueStacks 5's new improved multi-instance manager in Eco Mode, players can run more game instances faster and with less lag. We should perform the next phase, which is actually a must, and that is to log on to the Google Play Store. And we'll simply click on Play Store. As you will notice the Google Play is launched. In this case we are required to log on. At present, as soon as we're here, we must perform the next step that is compulsory. Therefore we mouse click on Sign In. At this point it says, Checking Info. It might sometimes get stuck in Checking Info, additionally it doesn't move ahead. In that case, you could attempt to log in after a few hours and it may most likely be repaired. At this point we will type our email address and password. The email must be a Gmail email address and its related password. For instance, you could use the exact same email address you're using right now in your own YouTube account. Thus I will submit my data and I'll return when I have completed it. That's all, details typed. Here is Google welcoming us and offering us their terms of service. We will approve all of them simply by clicking, I agree. After that, it offers us to back up to the Google Cloud. You can leave it selected and it'll produce a backup of your data on that device to Google Drive. I will not check it, you do what you want. We simply click on accept. The Google Play Store is launched without need to open it manually and completely on its own. To set up the application, we have got to go to the emulator desktop by simply clicking the icon marked green colored. Today that we are watching the desktop of that emulator for Android, we can see that we have here the Install App button. We just click on that button. Right here we get the Android game. So let's click now on the Install option that I am showing now in green color. Therefore it will begin the software setup. At this moment it will download and install the video game. It usually takes a little while, or perhaps it might possibly be amazingly quickly. It all is dependent upon our own connection to the internet. It's already ended setting up. Back to the emulator desktop by hitting the following option that I am highlighting in green, that allows you to run West Game for the first time. I am by now on the emulator desktop, and as a consequence we're going to click on that fresh West Game icon that's being generated. That video game is started for the first time. There we get it. I'm able to click anywhere on the screen and also make use of the keyboard. I am going to comment on the sound level of that emulator. This is right here. We have the icon of higher volume and the icon of lower volume. This manner we won't rely on the Microsoft Windows volume to increase or decrease the music of the emulator. As well as to enjoy the experience to the greatest, we can turn on the large monitor, for which we have two options. That is the very first one. We mouse click on this icon, which I am basically mentioning in green. Then the screen is maximized, enjoying one border at the top, one on the right side and one at the bottom. Supposing that we really want to play the application in full screen, we click this particular app icon. And therefore we would without a doubt be experiencing and enjoying the gameplay in 100% screen mode. To exit the 100% screen functionality, push the F11 key. And therefore we would likely just play in standard display screen mode. At this moment I am starting to explain you the computer keys mapping, which is rather useful. This means we may be in a position to utilize the game application more effortlessly. The first point is to press this keyboard icon. It's now time to complete the recommended configurations. I will let the normal configuration, but if you wish to adjust it, you may well do this without any problem. Perhaps you have realized, the emulator is totally in our own language. Sometimes it happens that your emulator is presented in the incorrect language, as an example, in Japanese. Then to set it in the appropriate language we go here to the cogwheel. So here throughout many other settings, we click on the Language drop down. We may very well pick the language we like, Italian, Japanese, etc. As soon as the language is chosen, we are going to save, the emulator will reboot, and the game app, the next time we run it, will also be in the specified language. At this time, there's another point that we have to take into account, and it is that we will get a message from Google indicating that a brand new equipment has been associated with our Google account. It will certainly check with us if we are the people who have associated with that electronic device. Yup, we may not worry, considering the fact that emulator is acting as an Android electronic device. And then to discover which tablet or smartphone is being emulated, we come right here, to the cogwheel, and we simply click on it. And so we go here to the Model selection. And now we see that the emulator is emulating a Samsung mobile. And so we're going to receive an email saying that a new Samsung device has been connected to our Google account. This is it, folks. So much for my video user demo. I hope you liked it, especially that you found it handy. In that case, offer it a superb like, subscribe, and any remarks, questions or ideas, leave them in the comment box down below. You can also comment things on my Twitch channel. I actually do live streams on occasion. You have it below in the video description and in the very first pinned comment. Simply click on any of those online videos that happens to be showing up on the computer screen and see you in the following video game videos. Bye.